here. How do you feel?
Amazing. Ready?
Yeah? You excited?
I'm excited.
Our second driver. Let's see if this is the actual driver that gets us. Oh yeah, we're in Vegas, baby. We're in Vegas. Oh, what, baby? Look at that shit. About to go down and meet Richard at the Aria lobby. Life is so good.
Pizza time for everybody else. I hear this was pretty good. Dim sum.